They're so precious. Nothing happened. He just wanted to see how far he can fly, I guess.
Ruby, Mama's talking to you, Ruby. You're supposed to go that way, Ruby. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Uh-oh, it's coming. Come on, cow. Come on, cow. Come on, cow. Oh, hopefully we'll get lucky here and she'll just follow me, huh? It'd be ideal. I don't know if she's following me. She's like, Mama.
Come on, baby. This way.
We gotta get those harnessed out, James. Play some games.
Hi, baby. Come on. Go this way. She's over here. Yeah. Ruby, it's not time to eat. It's not time to eat. Come on. It's time to go in, Ruby. Don't you want to go by Miss Patty? Huh? You don't want to go by Miss Patty? I know. I know. I know. Come here. No, not that way. It's not food time. It's playtime. Look how pretty she is.
Go get the shovel with some grain. Maybe you know, huh?
Yeah, she might follow for that.
She does like you going this way more.
Come on. Come on.
We got to do this better somehow.
I know, but she's just learning.
I know, but I'm just talking to you about it.
Go this way.
Faster walk now. Let's see if she's gonna come. We can't do that across the whole field. Let's see if she's gonna come or not. Bring her with. Come on, Ruby.
Come on, Ruby. If not, you're stuck in here.
I know.
Hi, Daddy. Well, come on.
Chicken coming. Throw him something.
Good boy. Come on, Ruby.
She's coming.
Coming.
Yeah. Now she's running.
Nah. Come on. Miss Betty.
Yeah, just go for it.
Come on, Ruby.
She's coming.
Moo. What's that?
I don't know. It's got like tomatoes on it.
There she is.
Bah. She gonna talk to you about it. Oh, that's a fail.
Come on, Miss Ruby. Come on. Come on. Get behind her, maybe.
Yes.
Come on, baby.
Hey, cow. Come on, cow. Bye, cow. You guys eat some grass today, cow. We'll be back for you. Unfortunately, we dropped all the grain on the wrong side of the fence, cow. You guys will find that later. Oh, Mama's so nice, Mama.
Okay, they're in their spot for the day. Oh, Mama!
What's our next mission?
We've got to get that wrench for Dad, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Looking for a ratchet.
A ratchet?
A ratchet, darling.
Thing that goes.
The black one's broke. Yeah, that's the one.
10.
Yeah, he'd probably like that too. That's probably good.
That looks like it.
We got it. Let's deliver it.
Let's go deliver.
Yes, ma'am.
Be back.
It's a cute chicken. Marbles, stormy. I don't know. It's got a cool color.
Hi, baby. Hi, babies. I see you found your wawa. Hi, baby. Moo, moo, Ruby. I come bearing more surprises.
Oh, right. I like this. I sure like the last one. Whoa!
He came down, he came down. Hi, guys.
Whoa!
Hi, Mama. Hi, Ruby. Hi, baby.
I gotta like straighten that fence up now, huh?
Yeah, now they want to be able. Look at how excited they are to see us. They're like, oh, they do come down here. Hey, guys. Those guys. What are you doing? Huh? Hi, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi, Betty. Come here, Ruby. Hey, baby. Hello. Mama doesn't want to be all slobbery right now.
Some good cows.
Oh, they're so stinking cute.
Holy cow, you got a light down in there and everything.
I do. I got the center console on, I got the radiator in, I got the shower on, I got the fan on, I got the camera, the alternator belt tight, crossover for the radiators on both sides, top and bottom.
Wow, you've been a busy man today.
I got the carburetor adjusted and put the new one back in. That's best suited for the truck, I think.
Yeah.
And I adjusted the floats.
You've adjusted the floats even today.
And I gotta put the carburetor advancement hose on, and then we're ready to go ahead and try it. That's this one here.
Plenty of time.
I was kinda hoping you guys would stop down in case I need the fire extinguisher.
I think we got one little handy.
I don't think I'll do this. You never know what's going to get. That's why you should be prepared.
It's on the other side.
With one, I don't need fire.
Yeah.
With luck, I hear a high rev and I say, ooh, that's high rev. So that's where I'm at.
Nice. Good little truck.
Yeah.
I've got faith in it.
Yeah.
You're good.
He drives on the right side now. It's been a while since we drove this pup.
Yes, I remember you like did the wrong side. Times.
I did that a lot, yeah.
So here.
Where'd you get this light? Holy cow, this is from the house?
Yeah, I got like two of them.
You brought that over,
I
huh?
kept forgetting to put them in responsible places, so when I went to get them, I was like, oh shit, $3 a gallon. So I didn't have them buying one. Put that back on, so we can step out a little bit.
Yeah. Pretty nice day though, huh?
Beautiful, yeah. So I put on the stock gas pedal, and I thought, you know, probably gonna run into trouble there. But as it turns out, it does real good. It's the right length. Seems like.
Nice.
We brought the wrench.
Yeah, well, it's the socket I was thinking about.
The other one's up on 10. 10. I remember that being a common number.
I'll tell you when I get But I think this is like bigger.
Well,
It's like, there it is.
she wants to.
Wants to. It's close.
Your turn.
Oh. Because you feel like you might do it this next time,
Now
huh?
you get the.
Oh, come on. I think you got it. Give me one more try. I'm old. You're all warmed up. Ponytail. Yes, sir.
I was watching Roadkill Garage,
Yeah. Is it inspiring?
and every once in a while they'll have a carburetor.
Yes, sir.
It happens.
It happens.
Yeah, but they're working with like 4 barrels, trying to get 10-second turns on 4 of them. I'd just be happy. Okay. We did hear a noise though.
Yes, sir.
That's good.
We're rich right now.
I like that. Yeah. So, they got carburetor I watch them play with has real good access. And this one's right underneath the firewall. Pump the gas one time. I want to watch it right there.
Yeah, it really moves now, huh?
It's got a little bit of resistance, but it comes back real good.
It's nice.
Go ahead, turn over.
Sorry. Oh, you're gonna spray? I'll spray.
Go ahead.
Oh.
It's not as close as we've been for a little while, huh?
Yes, sir. You ready?
Okay.
We're banging on it.
Alright, so, no noise to a little noise, but we're not the big noise yet. So I think we've done it a little more. What's going on over here?
Sounds like some shit going on over here.
Funky. Let's you think it'll run. You think it'll run?
Sometimes.
Does that gas, oil, all that fun stuff?
Spark. You got spark?
Spark plug. Do we check the sparks?
I think it does, because it almost ran.
I know, I think so too. I'm just messing with you. Those are the only words I really know.
You're doing really good.
So it almost ran?
Yeah.
Good.
Look at the cows came down to
I
say
know, I
hi.
see that.
Isn't that cute? They're so excited to be down here with someone down here. They were like going all psycho in there for a second. It's nice to see them eating the grass.
Yes, yes. A lot of cows are only grass fed anyway, aren't they?
Yeah, I wish mine didn't go on grain, but
But still, I hear. what you're
I
saying.
wanted to fatten them up because
A lot of them.
We'll run out of parts for a while.
Mom's so funny.
Every time you say something's coming from Amazon, it scared me.
Yeah, I could put this one over there too.
We got a couple.
Oh, you know what? You know what I did do?
Huh?
Put the wire together.
No.
yeah. No, I'm just joking.
You're teasing.
Which is the idle.
Yeah, in the winter we're gonna have to find a different way to feed them because the grass will dry.
Yeah.
drive. So we have to get
It's
hay
gonna
in the
come up before you
winter.
know it too, I'd say.
But we can wean them on the grass only at some point,
Right.
maybe.
Eventually, we're gonna take them off the grain.
Well,
The
some
grain-
restaurants
she-
would say grass fed.
Betty
I
would
don't know.
even be off of the grain right now
I
if
hear
it
you.
wasn't for Ruby being still so small and she's just not chunking up the way we want her to.
Yeah.
She's getting there though. She's only what, 6 weeks? I'm thinking.
Pretty close.
But now that she's actually eating grass, then yeah, I mean next summer they'll just be on grass only. That's just because there's too
It's
much.
not your birthday. Stop blowing the candle out.
And start dripping into it then. Yeah, I see what you're doing.
I like what you're doing though.
I do too.
Yeah. So, that means it comes off one more time, gets one more adjustment, and goes back on.
Yep.
I had a little kid when he had a cookie you're turning and she was happy and she had it, she's
Taking her
banging
home.
out, yeah.
She's like,
She misses it, yeah.
Yeah, she wanted to go home.
Yeah, she wanted to go home. She got the hot head over there watching TV now, and
Yeah,
oh my
she is.
God.
She's so sweet. She is.
I don't know where Luna is, I haven't seen her. Or somewhere.
She might be locked in her bedroom. Sometimes she gets locked in the rooms. The other day she was locked in her cabin. And we went to the store and came back. And she was all by her lonesome in the cabin. One time we went to the gas station all the way to Matheson. And then we came back.
We're driving back up the driveway. And I'm like, hey, is that our dog?
Yeah.
She's just sitting there. She looked like a statue.
Yeah, it's when we were living in here with the piggies.
That's funny.
Yeah.
They get left
They ever come
outside.
down the hill by themselves or no?
No.
One did.
Who?
One of the dogs did. Not all the way down to the garage, but down by the patch, by the.
No.
Which one?
They went all the way down, past the point of the fence where you see the fence.
And we had to go get him?
I think it was due. Like very beginning when we first got the little ones,
Not too much.
but not too much. They don't like to walk up there.
And then you gotta walk back up, yeah.
Luna goes down there all the time. If she drops the ball down there, she'll go down there.
Oh, yeah.
She's the only one.
Yeah.
Breaches will go down and use the number 2 and come
Yeah.
back.
Yeah.
Oh.
But they normally don't go past that last pasture. That's about as far as they go. You're gonna learn to go real far.
Yeah.
You're gonna be
Oh,
like,
yeah.
I'm going to
Yeah,
grandma's.
he is.
Well, hopefully you have a trail.
She's just gonna Duke too.
Yeah, oh yeah, we'll get a trail right away.
We got pretty good at making trails, I think.
Yeah, we've been doing really good. Josh has been, he did some cool trails by the pig. Did you see that he did some,
I'll
they
have
haven't
to
seen
show
it
you.
yet, have they?
No.
No. They did some, he did some rock lining and
Okay.
stuff, so it's like a path and stuff. It's real nice. We'll have to show you when we feed the animals tonight.
We're gonna get the chickens in the coop, I want.
Yeah, we have to, because we gotta figure out a way to keep their water warm, so it doesn't freeze.
I never see something on Facebook, I don't know what, but it's something like
I don't think it's gonna freeze.
No, I think, well, sometimes it gets like
30.
30, like 1 or 2 days. Well, yeah, but still, you gotta be prepared for those.
Chickens will probably get cold anyway.
No, they're not bad. They don't
Oh,
do
well,
too
they just come
bad.
out in the cold.
We
weather.
feel bad about it. We never seen them.
We always
go
put the
out.
light on, and
We had 3 lights last year.
last year we had 3 lights
We
in
looked
there.
like some real birds.
And they're fine. They really don't need it. Because their body, the food that they eat regulates the temperature for them.
We had the lights on so long that they weren't even laying right.
It's probably
Right.
hot.
Right. That's
Turn
why
the
for like the
fans
first
on.
7, 8, 9 months, like we didn't get any eggs.
Wow.
Because we had like the lights at like 10, 11, 12 o'clock at night, and their body was just going
True.
crazy.
Yeah.
The rooster would be crowing at like 2, 3 in the morning.
He still does.
Not as bad when we turn off the outside lights on the side.
Yeah, they know
he
about
stops.
that. The rooster up by the barn at 6:30.
That's when they're supposed to
He
go.
goes on up. And
For some
he
reason,
still
ours
goes up
stay
there,
up later.
he
goes down the
sits
stairs.
and
I give him a handful of food. Sometimes he's out to play.
yeah. He's hungry.
Right. What was the adjustment you did? I totally missed it.
Well,
Put it
that's
back
that,
together.
I want more gas in the pole. Until it works to peripheral.
Because we're spraying a lot of gas in. We already got one in here though. This is just the bigger one.
This is,
I think so. He's sneaking them over now.
I'm like, change,
oh, that was the fourth
I'm like toe banging.
change amount. Have we tried this one yet?
Pull that out, put this one in, fire it up.
Did we try this one yet?
Oh, you're using two different ones.
This one here was tried once, and it didn't fire strong enough. It actually didn't even fire weak.
Which was the carburetor that we got it to actually put on?
There's one in there.
The one that's in there? Okay.
And this one we never got to put because we never tried it. But it is new and
We can give it a
it's
try.
got a sound. It works on just a slightly different theory. See, this one,
Got a filter in between.
this one only has one up here to control the choke. And then one to go, and one to go to the advance when it gets warmed up, and one to go to the advance all the time.
First wipe. All I need is one wipe.
What you watched last night? Ain't good? No?
We watched something on TV, didn't we? Just whatever was on the TV? Or did we put
Yeah, we had a hard time finding our remote. It's embarrassing.
That's not.
We looked everywhere for the remote. He probably
made
put it
ice
in a
cream.
pair of pants and took off his pants somewhere.
We made ice cream with the donut in it, and we're all ready to go. And we get into the
Shut
room,
up.
and we can't find the remote.
And our ice cream is melting. It was so sad. And we're like looking everywhere
For
for this
like
remote.
5-10 minutes, we just
So which find the remote at?
we didn't find it. We just sat down and watched whatever dumb
on
stuff
TV.
was on the TV.
And it turned it off and went to bed.
It was hard to tell what was going on because we're halfway through it.
I haven't even been watching that stupid show Wednesday. I don't know. It's kind of like the Addams Family.
Yeah.
Started it up.
It's kind of cute. I don't
Yeah.
know.
They got a new season going on.
Yeah, they do. Yeah. She's looking over
I
here.
know. I'm so happy to have them right next to us. I'm
The
so
other one's-
sad when they're so far away from the house up there, but they're like right here.
Oh, Betty's still eating over
Yeah,
there.
she is.
Hey,
She's
Kyle.
bad. Ruby's getting a lot better. She's letting me touch her more and stuff. She didn't get the attention that Betty got. Having
Some
one.
good stuff though.
Right.
Well, yeah, just one
Because
on
I
one.
hold, normally
Now
I'd
she
feed
got.
Betty and have a second hand to pet and love on her. And now
I was
have
wondering
to
who
feed
was
both of
holding
them.
it. You're helping her out with the pigs, cows.
I do the pigs
Okay.
and the
you should help
chickens.
her with this. It's kind of hard. with
I do the
pigs.
2 bottles.
That's pretty hard.
And then, well, they drink them in like less than a minute now. They're real fast. So they drink them, and then I pour grain in there, and they just eat it. I don't have to help them with my hands anymore. So, and then we do the chickens, and then I go over there and love on them
Kick
for a
the
little bit.
pigs, clean the water dishes.
Hey, Betty. Ruby.
Banana. Come on, baby.
Hey, Betty. Moo. Moo, 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 moo.
Betty.
Are you gonna make Mama come in there?
There she comes.
Oh, Mama got. Come on.
Ruby.
Come on. Come here, buddy. Yeah. Oh. Look at the horsefly. Come here, Ruby.
Ruby.
her face. Like, you tricked me once.
Come here, Ruby.
Is this the gate that doesn't open the very best, or we can get it open to go in there, right?
I don't know. It does okay. She'll come. Once you see, let this one see chomping.
Oh, Ruby. They're getting big.
I know she is. I don't want to give it all to you because then you're going to try and take your sisters. You can't do that. All right, Mama's going to go get Ruby. Come here, Ruby. Hey, lazy girl. Hey, lazy baby. All right, I'll open the gate. No, you can come in, but watch out because this thing just scratched the crap out of me. All right, come on this way. All right, you can go grab one. Aww.
Scared her.
Ruby. Ruby. Ruby.
Why you give Mom the hard cow?
You want this one, Mom? Because she always gets that one. Because she's gentle.
It's been a while.
Yeah.
No, I don't want that one either.
Okay.
What?
I said okay.
Come here, Ruby. Try and go in front of, go like in front of her, not like that, but like on the other side.
You got her. Hold it out.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. Don't step on my foot, girlfriend.
You're gonna have to wash you gals up now. Take you over to the water hole over here.
Yeah, they enjoyed that, Mom.
Yeah, thank you. You need to wash your hand, Ma? Maybe? James just left it in the pasture. Didn't
The
you?
banana peel I did.
It's good for the environment.
Yeah, they might eat it too. There's a bunch of them.
It's a baby water cycle. Look at that. Yeah, I don't know. The red ones might not make it.
Some of them might.
But maybe pull them so that it tries to do new stuff.
Sometimes when you get red, they get hotter.
Right.
Yeah. I'd love to try and extract some seeds out of them. I'm still into that. I haven't made my own jalapeno seeds yet. We got one Carolina Reaper going on. How's it doing, man? Oh yeah, it's hanging in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
My little Carolina Reaper we're really hoping to make happen. Our carrot, she's overdone. This is a pepper. I hope that's winterizing.
Yeah, we gotta cut it shorter. That's a big one.
Yeah, it was a really good first shot at it. We got to pay it a little bit more attention, huh, James?
Yeah.
But you know, that's half the fun of it.
I think next year we're gonna just do like a few things at once and not like a whole bunch of everything. The potatoes we still gotta empty. We haven't emptied the bag.
We got to look at that. We got to spend some real time at it.
Yeah. These I'm gonna chop down to about here.
Maybe this is a Sunday fun day, us.
Yeah, I'm just taking these off.
Yeah, I'd like to pull these jalapeno plants back out, Ma. These are 2-year plants.
Oh, really?
You know, like I've had them for 2 seasons. That's why
Produce so much.
they're bigger.
We got cutting for 1, 2.
But I want to prune them down to be smaller and restructure them a little bit. Show her the old growth versus the new growth.
So the old growth is like this brown.
Okay, yeah.
And this is all new growth to green. See how this is turning brown?
Yes.
So we want to cut it so that
It's coming more
this
mature.
all turns brown over the winter, and then this will all be green next year.
Yeah. Thanks for taking a look at that for me.
Yeah.
Could have. Yeah, it comes off nice.
The other carburetor has bigger fittings.
Bigger fittings.
Also, the hose is not quite the same.
Right. Oh, so it's tricky here because we got the gas pedal in it. Yeah. All right. Okay.
But all we gotta do is turn it over, so we don't have to pull it out. Turn it over, adjust it.
You want to hold it, don't you? What was that? All right. Let's check it out. Who'd have thought that Peaches likes engines so much?
There's nothing on the area. And I think it comes down, bounces, and it'll go up and down. And it comes up farther than it. So when it's really in gas, it's gonna get careful. Because that's not even touching. So I like it. And it's a little more than you had, and I like that.
The bird is playing. Look at that. It's Wawa. Cookie, let me see the ball. Cookie, let me see the ball. Let me see the ball, guys. Oh.
All right. I think it's gonna work as soon as it starts getting some gas.
Yeah, we will.
I think so, because it sounds like it's gonna start. There's gotta be a reason why it's not starting, and it sounds like
I
it's
was
the
sitting
gas.
down here when you guys were going, I was like, I hope don't catch on fire. She got it.
You spray. We got 5 carburetors for it now. It's gonna have to.
We do have 5 carburetors. When did we get the 4th one? Did you bring one with you,
Yeah, it's
Dad?
not going over
I
somewhere.
brought 2 last time.
2 last time.
I think,
You gonna throw it back in?
yep.
Let's give it a shot. I screwed this a little bit. This gives it gas when you stroke it.
It's in a different channel.
It shoots it up the backside. To come out here and go in there.
I tell you, you're gonna get pretty good at this by the time we're done. Oh, that's it. still haven't found it yet. Clamped it up in there.
That's one on the bottom there, that one.
Come here. I'm gonna talk to you.
We just have one left.
One hose.
That one goes straight to the manifold in the back
Okay.
there. You feel back there, you'll feel it.
Hold the light a little bit. I think you're doing perfect.
I'd go over the other side of that hose. There we go, that side.
Nice.
Good.
Time.
Worth it.
10:32.
Is that choke? Is that throttle?
It was the throttle. It took you 4 minutes to do the throttle cable.
Throttle cable. Getting those little
So if you minus the 4 minutes.
Left. I went left for like 2 minutes, and then I was like, let's try the other way.
So it was really 6 minutes.
It's good though.
Yeah. They're just rooting Grandpa on. aren't you guys?
How we doing? I think we are. What's the difference for that?
So we're sucking good air. We increased,
You're getting a more of a car smell right now. Like is it carbon monoxide or something? Like before you weren't getting that, and you got a lot of black smoke coming out. I don't know if that told. Yeah, you got black smoke coming out. That a little darker, yeah.
so if we take the part right there, or the back, and run straight pipes, can we start?
Oh, with the thing on top?
It's the manifold, but without the back muffler.
Because you think there's too much pushing on it?
Well, I didn't know we were pushing black smoke.
I don't think it's
We pushed some black smoke?
A tiny little bit.
I don't know that one.
Okay, good. Good, I like the idea. I do too.
Alright. And quieting it down was
Yeah. And it kept us from throwing fire in the
yeah, we can't hear that. We whittled on it a little bit. We'll try again tomorrow. Don't step in the water dish. Yeah, we'll give it a shot. We'll go feed some animals.
I think it's time. They're hungry.
Find something else to get into.
She's calling you.
Oh.
Smile for me, boo boo.